All right, folks, we are back from executive session, and there was no binding action taken. However, we do have an item for the board to consider. I'd like to recognize our counselor, Mike North.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Michael North, Assistant County Attorney. I'm approaching the board here today to recommend authorization of a settlement in a pending lawsuit. The lawsuit is titled Groover versus Board of County Commission. It is 13 CV 1342, filed in the 18th Judicial District, that's Sedgwick County District Court. And again, the settlement amount that we're recommending is $41,500. In very summary form, this case involves allegations of negligence in the transfer of a patient. This is a patient that was transferred from St. Joseph Hospital who was ventilatory support to an operation known as Select Specialty Hospital, which operates a unit at St. Francis Hospital. The patient expired shortly after the transfer of care from EMS to Select Specialty. The circumstances were in serious and heated controversy between the parties, but our information is Select Specialty, who was also a co-defendant in this case, settled their end of the case a couple of months ago. The case is pending and it is set to go to trial in August. We've been in negotiations between the plaintiff's counsel and our office over the past couple of months, and we've arrived at this figure, this $41,500 figure, as an adequate compromise that would be acceptable to both sides in this case, but subject to approval by the county commission here today. We've calculated the expenses of what it would take to try this case from the county standpoint. Given the risks of going forward with trial in this case, we think this figure is a settlement figure that we can live with, and we would advise that the court, advise that the commission approve the settlement in that amount at this time. And I'm certainly open for any questions of the body at this time.
Mr. North, thank you for the good explanation. Is there any comments or questions from the commissioners? If not, what's the will of the board?
I move we take the recommended action from the county counselor.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Is there any other discussion? All right, seeing none, Madam Clerk, please call the vote.
Commissioner Unruh.
Aye.
Commissioner Peterjohn.
Aye.
Commissioner Ransaw.
Aye.
Chairman Howell.
Aye. Thank you, Mr. North. So now we're at the end of our agenda. Mr. Manager, Mr. Counselor, anything else for the go to the day? I guess. Okay. Seeing none, Commissioners, anything else you want to bring up before we adjourn? All right. Seeing none, we are adjourned. Thank you.